Over the past few years, low maintenance living has become more and more popular. And today I'm here with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes. And Claire, I feel like Smith Douglas has done such a great job responding to that popularity.
We really have. For people that are empty nesters or a busy professional, we're finding that more and more people lean to looking for a home that has that low maintenance living and a lock and leave lifestyle.
Well, Claire, one of the things I noticed right off the bat, because we are in one of your model townhomes, is that it doesn't feel like a townhome. There appears to be so much space.
There really is. You don't have to compromise for space in a townhome like this. We're very thoughtful when we're building the townhomes, and we have the homeowner's needs in mind. And so you'll find they're very welcoming and very open. Well, at Smith Douglas Homes, our purpose is to enhance people's quality of life, and we take great pride in building a quality home, providing modern interior selections offered at a price that's within reach. Our modern kitchens offer upper and lower cabinets to ensure that you have expansive storage for pots and pans. In fact, last year, ranch villas and townhomes made up approximately 20% of our sales.
Wow. Well, Claire, we know that Smith Douglas Homes is building several neighborhoods across the Metro Atlanta area, but you're also building neighborhoods across the Southeast. So where can you find these ranch villa and townhome neighborhoods for that low maintenance living?
For more information, we invite and encourage people to visit our website at smithdouglas.com. They can search by location, also by community.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. And you can also follow Smith Douglas Homes on social media, where they have their Townhome Tuesday, which is a whole lot of fun. And at Smith Douglas, it is your home, your choice, within reach.